Tell again. Okay, I love you. Yeah, okay, I love you. Today we are going to learn single digit list addition. Okay, topic name is single digit list addition. Okay, so have you noted? Fine, single digit list addition. That is nothing but this is called single digit list. So before going to learn single digit list, we need to know end number method. End number method. End number method. End number method means, have you noted end number method? End number method means, for example, if you add two numbers, if you get the answer which is equal to 10 or more than 10, you have to tell only end number in the answer. That is nothing but 8 plus 6 is 14. You have to tell only 4. For example, 9 plus 5 is 14. You need to tell only 4. 8 plus 6 is 12. Oh, sorry, not 12. I'm taking every time only 14 example. 8 plus 2 is 10. You have to tell only 0. Okay. 9 plus 4 is 13. You have to tell only answer 3. It is 13, but you have to tell only 3. This is called only telling the end number in the answer. End number is nothing but units place number. This is called end number method. Have you understood? Yeah, tell me, everyone understood carrier rule? Sorry, end number method? Manohar?
Sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now we will start the topic. Coming to single digit list addition. Today we are going to add these all single digits. Okay. Addition of these all single digits. If we practice it, we can add 50 digits in just 20 seconds. Sorry, 2 minutes. 50 digits like this. 50 digits in just 2 minutes. You can add if you learn this method. So first I'll start with. Okay, all of you. You all know end number method, right? Tell me, 9 plus 8, what is the end number? 9 plus 8. Did you get the end number or not?
Sir.
What is the end number?
7, sir.
So after adding 8 only, you get the end numbers. So that you put a dot beside 8 and write end number 7 here. Okay. Then we need to add this number to the next number, not 8 to 7. Because here dot represents 10 and 7, total 17. That is nothing but 9 plus 8 is 17. We are representing in the another way, that's it. So each dot represents 10. 7 is the end number. Adding 10 to 7, it becomes 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Then we need to add this 7 to the next number. 7 plus 7, did we get end number or not? Did we get end number? 7 plus 7.
4.
So end number is 4, right? Keep a dot beside 7 and write 4. Okay, we'll take another color so that it will be very easy to understand. So dot 4 7, these are the end numbers. So 6 plus 4, now 6 plus 4, we got the end number or not? Tell me.
0.
Yeah, we got end number because it is equal to 10. Equal to 10 also we can get the end number. Only single digit, if we add the numbers, if we get single digit number only, we don't get end number. Otherwise it is equal to 10 or more than 10, we will get the end number. Now 0 plus, what we need to add? 0 plus 6. Did we get end number or not? Did we get end number or not?
6.
No, it is not end number. We didn't get it because if it only reaches to 10 or more than 10 only, we can write end number. Otherwise, we cannot write. So we didn't get it. So that what we need to do until we get the end number, we need to continue the process. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So we got the end number again. So 5. Okay. And 5 plus 7, it is 12. Again we got the end number. So to write the answer, the procedure is after adding the last digit, what end number we got? 2. So you write this 2 as a units place digit in the answer. Okay? As a units place digit in the answer. After adding the last digit, if we get end number or if we get 7, for example, directly 7, we need to write that number as the units place number in the answer. Then count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 is nothing but 50, right? Dot means tens, 10. So 50, write 5 in tens place. Answer is 52. 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 is 52. Understood? I will explain with one more example, then you can understand. Do you understood how we get 52 here? After adding the last digit, we get the end number 2. This 2 is written as the in units place. And 5, how it 5 comes? We have to count the number of dots. Then 52. Understood?
Yes.
I will tell you one more problem so that you can understand clearly. So first we need to first 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 5. 5 plus 8, 3. 3 plus 7, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. So we need not to write any end number because we didn't get it. 4 plus 2, 7. Sorry, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. We didn't get any number. Finally, answer is, so after adding last digit, what we got? 9. And count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3. 39 is the answer. That's it. Until you get the end number, you should not put dot or you should not write any number. If you don't get it, you just write directly. You see, 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. I have written that 9 in the units place in the answer and counted number of dots. 3. 39. We got it. Understood?
Yes.
What about remaining? Say yes or no, Manohar?
Yes, sir.
I will explain one more problem. No worries. Now I will reduce the font size so that I can take big problem now. Ready? Ready. Ready? I will do one thing. I will keep aside and I will make it like here. And ready? Now we will take other color so that we can easily understand. First 6 plus 8. Oh, this one is not changing. Why? Okay. 6 plus 8, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. I didn't get the end number, so I don't want to put dot. 9 plus 9, 18. I need to continue the process until I get the end number. 9 plus 9. Someone will think that 9 plus 5 and you can write 4. So many of you do like this. You should not do. You should not forget this number. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 8. 8 plus 7, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. I didn't get the end number. I need to continue. 9 plus 8, 7. 7 plus 9. Yeah, I got it. 6. 6 plus 6. Yeah, again I got it. 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. I have written end number. Okay. 2 plus 8. You see, Kusum give the number answer. Let me do that. Let me see it. She did right or wrong. 2 plus 8, 0. And 0 plus 7, 7. So write 7 as the units place number and count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Kusma ji, Kusum ji, you did it. Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the answer. All of you understood? Anvita, Anish, and Manohar. Sorry, Manohar Kadu. I forgot his name. Mauriana. What's your name? Hello. What's your name?
Varshit.
Varshita.
Yes, sir.
Varshit, you should enter with your name only. Now you have your name, Varshit. You are the youngest kid in all my 200 students. You are the youngest kid who is learning Vedic maths in the age of, like, at the grade of first grade. You should be feel proud. Your name is very good, Varshit. You should always enter with your name only. Okay. Now you have a brand, Varshit, the youngest kid in Vedic maths class. Like that, you can tell anybody. Okay. Okay, Varshit.
Yes, sir.
You should enter with your name only. You feel proud that you are the son of Manohar Garu, but now you should, now already you have reached to worldwide. Your fame become. I will tell everyone. Varshit is my youngest kid in all the students, all throughout the world, 200 students. Okay, all of you. I hope you all understood. So that I will give you the problem now. Ready? All of you ready? I'm giving. I will keep it here so that you can clearly see this. Yeah, all of you please note down 8, 6, 9, 7, 4, 8, 5, 6, 9, 4. 3, 3, 3. 10 numbers are there. Do it and send the answer. Everyone given the answer? Oh, I got 66. I didn't get the answer from Manohar. Manohar, you are doing, you take your own time. No problem. You can give the answer. I'm sorry, I didn't see that. I'm giving one more. Please.
Answer.
You also got the 66?
66 answer, sir.
Okay, okay, do it. Do it now. Next problem. Yeah, this time it is 65. Anvita and Anish. Oh, they got 58. Let me check it. Yeah, ready? On your count. Anyone please tell me 1, 2, 3 start so that I can start. You see my speed. You will see my speed. Ready? Can you please any one of you? Hello, Kusumji. You can tell
Hello?
me. Tell me 1, 2, 3 start so that I can start it.
1, 2, 3, start.
5, 3, 7, 4, 9, 7, 7, 1, 1, 8, 8, 3, 5. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 65 is the answer. Anvita and Anish, you just re-verify it. You will get the answer, correct answer. Maybe you missed somewhere. This is called dot method. You need not to mention all end numbers because we need only end number where we got after adding these, what number we get, that is only we need. We don't need all these end numbers. Yes or no? First, I have explained in a clear way so that you understand. After you practice with more examples, you can do dot method very easily. Because you see 9 plus 6 is 5, right? You just remember 5. Then 5 plus 8, it becomes 3. Whenever we get 3, you forget about 5. You need not this 5. Yes? So now we reach it to 3. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 14. So when we get 4, replace it. We need not to remember all this. Then 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 7. Forget. 7 plus 4, 11. Forget. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 3. Forget. Finally, 3 plus 2, 5. We need only this. Even this is also we need on. Understood? Then count the number of dots. 6. 65 was the answer. You got it. And congratulations. And Manohar ji, you got it? You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
This is, we learned single digit list addition like this. Like we will do one thing. We'll practice more problems so that tomorrow I will ask 50 digit list addition. 50 digits we can do in just 2 minutes if we practice this.